Mustang GT. This works for any 11 to 14. Mostly any cars can run these, but this is just with catless X pipe. They're American Racing 1 7/8 long tubes, and then on top of it we have I'm trying to think of the brand name. Correct me real quick, my bad, y'all. I'm having a brain fart, but it's Valvetronic mufflers. You know, we can open and close them when they're closed. They sound pretty good. I've done a video on this kind of, but like I said, I wanted to bang some content out for y'all. You guys can hear some exhaust clips and shit like that, so we're gonna try and get this going for y'all. But let's get up the street so I can do some clean downshifts and get some good shots for y'all. So we're almost down, y'all. I hate my daily is down right now, so we don't have a choice other than to drive this, you know, in this back area. It's more secluded where we're shooting at right now, but private on road and shit like that, you feel me? But kind of give you guys an idea, I used to run courses, and that's a very popular, or Borla, or what's another popular one that Roush is a lot of people what they like to run. If you're like where I'm at, my Supercharger is already loud enough. I don't need an exhaust to make it really loud. So when I want to be obnoxious, I can open it up, and when I want to be quiet, I can close it down. Just hear the Supercharger, you know. More to it. We're gonna open it, and then we'll do a few clips of like them closed, kind of to give you guys an idea. But I honestly think this is the best sounding exhaust. It's straight piped. It still has a muffler on it, so it still works as a muffler. But here, we're gonna give you guys a little. Hopefully you guys can kind of hear it. The blow off valve is a little extreme. We'll do some downshifts in a minute here, but yeah, I mean, it's really not that bad. You know, if you get Corsa's really loud and it sounds so good, but you know, when you're catless, I was already too loud. When I used to have Corsa, I got pulled over for literally going in like third gear at like 20 miles an hour. So I mean, mind you, this isn't really that bad, but here, we'll do some down. Oh, whoops, that was fourth. When I get in the high RPM, it starts getting like boost creep, and that's where boost normally hits, which is like 4K RPMs. But I mean, you can't really get all of that. But here, I'm gonna shut up for a second and give y'all some more clean downshifts real quick. Occasionally pops, but when you do, they sound really good. But yeah, if you guys can hear, this is all the windows closed, but I mean, this will give you guys kind of an idea of what this thing sounds like in 6th gear. I mean, that's pretty much, that's in 6th. Barely, I mean, just cruising, you can't really hear it, but I mean, once when you downshift, you know, it is catless, it's gonna be loud regardless. Outside the car, it's obviously a lot different, but like I said, this thing, if you want something that sounds really good and more muscle, I think this is the way to go. I put one of my other friends on it that has a Cam 5.0. I might have some videos, or if you guys go look back to the other video, he's catless, resonator, delete, everything fully straight piped with 1 7/8 BBK long tube headers, and his sounds, they all have different tones. They all are different cars, you know. Obviously his is a built motor with pistons, rods, cams. sounds a little bit different, but I'm telling you guys, I never get tired of that that supercharged blow off. So good. I don't know if I like more the exhaust or the supercharger, and that's 5th gear. So, but here, let me show you guys why this is the best exhaust, I believe, for this car. Watch. You want to be quiet, so oh, there's another 5.0 or 3 valve, my fault. So that was in 5th with them open. This is in 5th with them closed. Can't hear anything. I don't know if you guys can, but here, well, I'll do some downshift with it closed. Like I said, this is with it closed now. I turned it off by the control. All you hear is a blow off. You don't hear anything. That's all blow off. So I mean, you can still hear the exhaust from outside a little bit. Do a little pull for y'all, but yeah, that's a pull with them closed. So, I mean, you can't really get enough of that, you know. I feel like being able to control it, especially not cutouts where they're like stupidly obnoxious, that's the best route you guys can go. But alright, we're back where we're going. Just gonna end this real quick, y'all. I want to move it back for y'all a little bit. Dude, I swear to God, people irritate me. We're gonna do a warm start after we just did that little drive. This is with the exhaust open. It's not too bright. There's the fans kicking in. But if you guys know what today is, gotta let you know who we're with. Bang Bang Niner Gang. Hope you guys are having a good Super Bowl. Thought I might as well try to get some content while I'm made a little run real quick. I'm not gonna lie, this old lady was kind of weird when I came to my car. She like walked up to my window really secretly. It's kind of weird, but she tried to get close, staring at me really weirdly. But all right, let's get to this. And that's around 4K, y'all. That's like really getting into boost. That's why it's you guys hear it ee. Just isn't your ordinary 5.0. Loud, 2 different ways. So blow off valve and the exhaust. Do some more clean downshift for y'all real quick. Probably gonna scare some people in the process of it. We gotta turn right here. Yeah, that's one thing I hate when it does that. If you guys can kind of hear it, it blips. Unless I'm not blipping it enough, I don't know. This thing was... could have a bad O2 again. It does smell like it's rich, but we'll see right now. Let's come to this stop and cut it. Sit for a second. Let's see. Nah, it's not running rich. We're good. Second. this is at like 4K RPMs, y'all, and downshifting. You guys are just getting like the light thing of it. If you guys go look at my YouTube shorts, you guys can probably be able to see more in depth of what it sounds like at like high, when it's completely open and I'm going, just giving it full beams and sending it. And obviously I don't want to be too crazy out here right now. Super Bowl, people are trying to watch TV and shit. But this gives you guys an idea. This thing, whew, crazy. Plus I wanted to give you guys a little POV of like what the exhaust sounds like and the blow off valve, because a lot of people just want to see a POV. I've done some at night. Look at that little Porsche action right there too. And if you guys see the carbon too, this is all from Zeta Composites. This is from Dyna Carbon. Honestly, my experience with them, I don't like downing anybody, but this video is not about carbon, so I wouldn't suggest ordering from them. I've always had my good experience from Zeta. I'd rather keep it with them. Shout out to German from Zeta. Any carbon needs for your car, no matter what car you got, make sure to go under Zeta Composites. Use code DACYOT GT, and that's my code to get a discount on any piece of carbon you guys want. But yeah, that's more a little downshift for y'all. Woo, a little second gear action. Again, if you guys didn't know, if you guys are new to this channel, I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. But like I said, this is American Racing long tube titanium headers, 1 7/8 long tubes with a Catalyst X pipe, and it is Paxton supercharged on a 3.3 pulley with a Beefcake Racing wastegate and a max flow race blowout valve, bypass valve from Vortec on E85 with the fuel system and everything. If you guys don't know, we have other videos. Make sure you guys keep. But yeah, subscribe. Let me know future videos you guys want to hear. We're gonna get one more clean down shit for you guys. Look at that perfect rev match. Oh, see, and there's that thing it does. I hope this dude don't go down this driveway. Normally when they do, they fly. But, all right, y'all, this is the end of the video. Appreciate you guys for checking me out.